we at?
At the beach club.
At the beach club. All right. So we've got a large entryway.
Yes, and there's a bathroom.
There's a bathroom.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And no, I want to show all around.
Okay.
And there's a pretty shower.
Okay.
And there's this.
What's over here?
And this is the
Got a closet. Okay.
Back and follow me.
Little kitchen
what's
area.
This in here? And this. Oh.
Trash.
And this.
Don't mess it up.
And this.
What do we have?
It's this.
Mickey towels. Okay.
And why is it?
Yes.
Oh, I think there's something under
Yeah,
here.
Daddy's gonna show you.
We'll show
All
it in a
right.
second.
All right.
Ready?
I'm doing in Tillman's.
Is it my bed?
Alright.
You ready?
Let's look. Alright, you ready? We're gonna pull this off to the side.
Is it both of ours?
And then
No, this one's
to
just
the
Sadie's.
side. So press button and pull handle.
Do I need to do it too?
I think you're probably gonna have to do it too.
Okay, I'm gonna try while I'm videoing. My hand isn't quite big enough. Hold on.
I will do
Hold on.
Here, Tillman, you got it.
All right, here we go.
We're pushing. Ah! Alright, maybe not.
Let's see.
You gotta push hard, I think.
Maybe the table needs to be folded down first.
I don't know.
I don't know. There's a bed under there. What have we been doing, Sadie?
Going to bath.
Where'd we go?
Where's
Went to Epcot. Yours is right here. We're gonna fold. It's a fold out. Tillman, tell what'd you ride today for the first time?
That's outside.
There you go. Oh, here it goes, Sadie.
Here we go.
Oh, who is it, Sadie?
Donald.
Donald. There you go. What do you think?
Where's my pillow?
Nope, you're gonna show the view.
Yep, go show us the view.
Let's see. We don't have a ton of a view, but it's okay. I think we can see part of Epcot.
Hey, I can't see.
Just over that tree, you can see the Eiffel
Why
Tower.
don't you take? 'Cause I can't see that tower.
See.
I can't see anything.
Right,
I can't see anything
right there.
Yeah.
That's the Eiffel Tower.
Where is it?
And then through there, that's Morocco.
I can see it.
So hopefully,
There's
right in this area tonight, we'll be able to see
There's a book card.
some fireworks.
Stay up all night.
There's the rest of it.
They're here.
Alright. That's the room. We'll have a lot of fun.